In today's video, I will walk you through how to find record type ID in Salesforce. To begin, move to the top area of Salesforce and locate the gear icon used for setup and configuration settings. Continue by selecting the gear icon to open the available setup options shown on the screen. After the setup menu appears, continue by selecting Setup. Salesforce will then open the setup page where object management and configuration tools are available inside the platform. Wait a few moments for the setup page to finish loading before moving to the next step. Once the setup page is fully visible, move to the Object Manager section. Continue by selecting Object Manager to open the area where Salesforce objects and their settings can be managed. After the Object Manager page opens, move to the search bar displayed near the top section of the screen. Inside the search field, type Contact to locate the contact object inside Salesforce. Continue reviewing the matching results displayed as you type into the search field. When the contact object appears in the results, continue by selecting Contacts. Salesforce will then open the Object Settings page connected to Contacts. Wait for the page to finish loading before continuing. Inside the Contacts Object Settings page, move through the menu options shown on the screen and continue by selecting Record Types. Salesforce will then display the available record types connected to the Contacts object. After the Record Types page opens, continue reviewing the list displayed on the screen. In this example, the available record type shown is Business Contact. Continue by selecting the record type you want to review. Once the selected record type page opens, move to the top area of your browser window and review the URL displayed in the address bar. The record type ID will appear directly inside the URL connected to the selected record type page. Continue checking the URL carefully until you locate the record type ID value displayed in the address bar. This is the ID connected to the selected Salesforce record type. The process includes opening setup from the gear icon, selecting Object Manager, searching for the contact object, opening record types, selecting the required record type, and reviewing the browser URL to locate the record type ID inside Salesforce. If the page takes a few moments to load during any part of the process, wait for Salesforce to finish updating before continuing to the next section. Once the record type ID is visible in the URL, the process for finding the record type ID in Salesforce will be completed. Thank you for watching.